Hello, this is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing with Lifestyle Changes. Today we're going to look at 10 ways to boost your mitochondria. In a previous video, we learned that the mitochondria are the battery packs of our cells that convert nutrients into energy. These power stations regulate how nutrients get into your cells and your energy levels. They also play an important role in immune function, which is vital to our health. When it comes to many diseases such as cancer, heart disease, ALS, dementia, etc., it's all about the vitality of the mitochondria. That previous video is called 10 Causes of Mitochondrial Dysfunction, and it will be referenced in the show notes below. You'll want to give it a look. But as I said, today we're going to look at 10 research-backed ways to boost your mitochondria. Are you ready? Number 1 is simple and easy. Exercise. There's no better way to boost your mitochondria than to move your body. And that's through all the research. According to Rob Wolf, a biochemistry researcher and lifestyle expert, high-intensity exercise upregulates recovery mechanisms within your mitochondria and your DNA. That's important. He also says that exercise corrals our cells towards health rather than dysfunction. And when your mitochondria are healthy, you are healthy. Neurologist and medical researcher Dr. Dadis Karazian adds to this the importance of mitochondrial biogenesis, a process within the cell in which new mitochondria are self-replicated, and this is key. According to Dr. Karazian, the more active you are, the more mitochondria you make, and those cells function longer. So important. After chemotherapy and radiation, I can't think of a better way to assist your mitochondria than to exercise on a regular basis. Dr. Robert Elliott, the oncologist, surgeon, and medical researcher who wrote the foreword and commentary in my book, Unleash Your God-Given Healing, had something to say about the mitochondria. This is what he said: a regular exercise regimen is important for maintaining mitochondrial health and improving cellular respiration. Movement, he says, upgrades the expression of the PGC1 alpha, which stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis and intracellular antioxidants. Again, there's just no better and inexpensive way to boost your mitochondria than to exercise. Number 2, a healthy, nutrient-rich diet. You see, eating a colorful diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, and also lean protein and healthy fats helps to boost your mitochondria. It's all the antioxidants, phytochemicals, and fiber found in the plants that God made in Genesis 1:29 that promote healing in our bodies and our mitochondria. A diet must also be balanced and include those healthy and lean proteins and healthy fats. This nutrient-rich diet, kind of like a Mediterranean diet, helps to support mitochondrial function. Number 3, detoxification. I mentioned in a previous video that when too many toxins build up in our bodies, our mitochondria can be affected. The first step in detoxification is to reasonably avoid your exposure to toxins. The second step involves removing the toxic load that your body has accumulated over time. You'll want to see this video, and it will be referenced below. One of the ways I do this detox is to start my day with a detox tonic. The video on how to make this tonic will also be referenced in the show notes below. You see, I filter my water because water can contain toxins, but increased water intake also helps your body to detox. As I just mentioned, exercise is great for your body, but it's also a great way to detox because when you sweat, toxins are released through your pores. Certain herbs like cilantro and milk thistle help to detox the body. Some people do a once-a-year detox by only eating the Daniel diet, which means plants, including vegetables, fruits, herbs, spices, beans, legumes, and whole grains for 3 to 4 weeks. All these plants help the body to detox. And above all, make sure your digestive tract is moving efficiently because when it's backed up, toxins that are backed up as well are reabsorbed into your body. Not a good idea. Number 4 is intermittent fasting. I just mentioned eating a healthy diet filled with nutrients, but the opposite is also true. Intermittent fasting is when you break from eating for 12 to 16 hours, and you usually do it overnight when you're sleeping anyway. When the body is in a fasted state, it frees up about 65 to 75% of the normal energy you expend eating and digesting food. This allows your body to use this same energy to engage in autophagy, to help heal and repair cells and provide numerous benefits for mitochondrial health. Intermittent fasting boosts insulin sensitivity, thereby reducing metabolic strain on our mitochondria. It also stimulates what we just talked about, mitochondrial biogenesis, which promotes the formation of new mitochondria. And it promotes this autophagy we just talked about, which is the body's process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new cells and mitochondria. This actually helps to remove dysfunctional mitochondria and it reduces oxidative stress. Intermittent fasting protects mitochondrial DNA by lowering this oxidative stress and also lowering systematic inflammation. Number 5, support a healthy gut. This is tied in what we just talked about with a healthy diet and assures you have plenty of nutrients and fiber, but we also need probiotic foods. These probiotic foods include sauerkraut, kimchee, yogurt, apple cider vinegar, kombucha tea, etc. This combination of high fiber foods and probiotic foods enhances mitochondrial function and energy production. The gut bacteria, which keeps your gut lining healthy, feed off the fiber, and they also produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which enhance mitochondrial biogenesis and efficiency. There are those words again. We've already learned that 70 to 80% of our immune system lies in this all-important gut lining, and our mitochondria benefit when it's healthy. Number 6, antioxidants. As we've mentioned, many foods in the plant kingdom, such as green leafy vegetables, dark chocolate, and berries, are high in antioxidants. These plant chemicals are powerful in reducing free radicals, lowering this oxidative stress, and boosting your mitochondria. The more antioxidants you include in your diet, the better. The 3 antioxidants which are best known to support your mitochondrial health are CoQ10, acetyl L-carnitine, and alpha-lipoic acid. These antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and protect cells from cellular damage. Number 7, let's look at vitamins, minerals, and supplements that can help. A B complex is a great way to enhance your mitochondria. and it's necessary for energy metabolism. But you can also get these vitamins from nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Vitamin C, known as a powerful antioxidant, supports electron movement, which is essential for energy production. And then there's magnesium. Magnesium is necessary for over 300 chemical reactions that take place in our body, and it can be taken as a supplement or by eating foods such as whole grains, nuts, and seeds. It's essential for optimizing energy and maintaining mitochondrial health. We can't forget vitamin D. It's also necessary for mitochondrial activity. According to research in Italy, the vitamin D receptor is necessary for mitochondrial function and cell health. Other supporting supplements include vitamin E, zinc, selenium, and iron. Number 8, adequate sleep. The average person needs 8 to 9 hours of sleep each night. It's during deep sleep that the body heals, repairs, and detoxes. This includes regeneration and repair of your mitochondria. During sleep, your brain gets rid of products which are toxic to the brain, such as beta amyloid. Sleep and exercise. The good thing about them is they're both free and something everyone can afford to do. Number 9, stress management. Chronic stress has an impact on mitochondrial function. According to Dr. Joshua Axe, psychological stress can actually alter mitochondrial structure and function through stress hormones and other signals that are sensed by the mitochondria. 3 of my best ways to manage stress is by walking, deep breathing, and, don't tell, soaking in a hot bathtub. Find what works for you. The important thing is that you manage stress before it has an impact on your body. Regular practice of relaxation techniques has been shown to upregulate genes that increase the health of your mitochondria. And last but not least, sauna and hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Infrared sauna drives heat deep into the body. This increases your core body temperature and enhances your mitochondria. One study found that people who use a sauna for 6 days in a row had a 28% increase in their mitochondrial function. This is key. Then there's hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which can also enhance energy production and mitochondrial function, but this does it by driving oxygen into your blood. This reduces oxidative stress and leads to improved cellular function. According to one study, long-term treatment with hyperbaric oxygen therapy improves mitochondrial activity and leads to a decrease in reactive oxygen species. However, research does also show that short-term therapy may temporarily increase oxidative stress. My husband and I bought our own infrared sauna for detox purposes after my cancer journey. At that time, I knew nothing about the mitochondria or any benefits for it. Today, there are health centers popping up all over the country that are offering both infrared sauna and hyperbaric oxygen therapy. We decided to buy our own sauna in our own home, since at that time there were no health clubs offering such things, and it turned out to be a great benefit because we both use it. If you're interested in sauna and hyperbaric oxygen therapy, I suggest you check out these centers. Just Google where they might be. Realize, though, that to get into a hyperbaric oxygen chamber, it generally requires a doctor's permission, as they are not recommended for people with certain conditions. And some people have claustrophobia, which makes getting into one of these chambers difficult to do. Our mitochondria generate the energy that powers our cells and sustains human lives. When we practice a healthy lifestyle that includes conscientiously boosting our mitochondria, we are supporting every cell and every organ system in our body. And we are helping to extend our health span and longevity. And stay tuned, because next week we'll be looking at how what we've learned about our mitochondria can help us to prevent cancer, get through the treatments if we have cancer, and prevent its recurrence. So please be on the lookout for this next video next week. I hope this has been helpful information for you. And I do hope that you will sign up for my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and that you will click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until next time, here's to the health of your mitochondria. And may God bless.